All new on 2 News today, overnight gunfire in North Tulsa ends with one man dead while another survives. Police continue to investigate this morning. 2 News reporter Brianne Palmerini joins us live from the Northside Police Station with the latest. Brianne?
Well, investigators here at the Northside Station say it was either some type of gunfight or possibly a car chase that led to the city's latest homicide. But right now, police don't have any clear suspect description from witnesses. After getting multiple calls about shots fired in the area, police found a wrecked pickup truck covered in bullet holes near 45th Street North and Cincinnati. It was just after 11 o'clock last night. Now, 2 men were inside the pickup, one in critical condition with multiple gunshot wounds to the torso. He was transported to the hospital but died early this morning. His brother was in the passenger seat of the pickup but was not hit once.
We have counted, just multiple rounds from a high-powered rifle that were actually shot into the passenger door, not only the door, but then into the passenger glass. And somehow the passenger of the vehicle was not injured in the least.
Now, police say they're looking for some type of Mitsubishi car this morning. They're not sure the make or the color, but they believe that's what the suspects were driving. If you have any information that could help police make an arrest, you can call Crime Stoppers at 596-COPS. Live in North Tulsa, Brianne Palmerini, 2 News works for you.